Rancho Santa Ana Botanic Garden is the largest botanic garden dedicated to California native plants in the world. Our extensive history of research and horticulture has naturally led us to make the conservation of California's native flora central to our mission as an organization. Rancho's restoration team is on the front lines of this issue, attempting to conserve California's biodiversity in the face of catastrophic drought, wildfires, invasion of exotic species, and expanding urbanization and development. With the help of a grant from the National Fish and Wildlife Foundation, our restoration team has helped to fight these battles in the Angeles National Forest. We have spent the past 2 years removing invasive weeds and restoring several sites burned by the copper fire in 2002. Our project began with the collection of locally adapted seeds from over 40 different species naturally occurring at these sites. We took these seeds back to our restoration plant nursery, where we processed and propagated them. Our restoration nursery prides itself on its ability to propagate a multitude of native species while upholding the highest standards of phytosanitary practices to prevent the unintended introduction of pathogens and pests to restoration sites. These practices include sanitizing our soil and pots with a steam generator and regularly testing our plants for Phytophthora infection. Starting in the fall of 2018, we extended these phytosanitary procedures to the field as we began the outplanting process. Rancho believes that collaboration is key to successfully conserving California's native flora, so we were delighted to get the chance to work with the California Conservation Corps during this portion of the project. Thanks to the help of the CCC, planting was completed in the spring of 2019. In the end, over 6,000 plants were planted at 3 separate sites in the burn zone. Moving forward, our team will continue to care for these sites by surveying the impact of our efforts to reverse the domination of invasive weeds in these areas, so that visitors to the Angeles National Forest get to see the gorgeous, biodiverse landscape that California's native plants have to offer.